Welcome to Lawrenceville Honda Yamaha. We'd like to take a moment and introduce you to the Honda Fury. Right here you have a 21-inch front tire. Nice rake. It's actually a 32-degree rake for a factory chop. As you go along this one right here, nice chrome accents. We've actually added a few things here. We've got the 1 7/8-inch handlebar risers, chrome to match. Kuryakki brake lever and clutch lever. Also some Kuryakki engine covers as well. This is all up to you to customize, all through our parts department and installed by our service department. We have a 1300cc liquid cooled shaft drive fuel injected motor, 46 miles to the gallon. As you go on across here, we've actually added the DG hard chrome exhaust to it. Sounds great. Come on around. It's got a sloping seat on it. 3.5 gallon fuel tank. 46 miles to the gallon. Again, come on back, nice sweeping rear fender, 18-inch rear tire with a 200 series rear tire. This bike has it all: looks, power, and performance. So this motor is a 1300cc liquid cooled shaft drive fuel injected motor, 46 miles to the gallon. This factory chopper has it all. Come build yours today.